Hello, my dear ones. Today, let's bust some myths about relationships. Number one, if they take their phone to the washroom, they are talking to other boys or other girls. Guys, it's not that. Times have changed. We are in the 21st century. Earlier, when we used to go to the washroom, especially to poop, we used to take newspapers or books to read. That is how the human brain works. You got to be doing things that happen subconsciously, that are engrossed subconsciously, that happen on its own. For example, blinking of your eyes, you do not need focus or attention. So that is a way to distract the conscious mind and engage the conscious mind to read a book or to scroll down on the phone, so that the rest of the flow can be easy and flawless, right? Okay, so the next one is, if they're hiding something, they are at fault. No, it doesn't happen like that, guys. There are so many times when people have things that they do not want to share with their partners, with their boyfriends or girlfriends or wives or husbands, only for the reason that they have their own fears, their own insecurities, their own way of thinking about your reaction. Maybe, for example, that if they tell you something that might cause a reaction that they will not be able to process, or they might feel that it's unimportant, that it has to be shared with you, or there might be something that they choose not to share with you, only for the reason that everyone has the right to have a personal life also. There's a difference between a private life and a personal life, and everyone has the basic fundamental right to have a personal life. And if they choose to hide something from you, doesn't mean that they are at fault. It could simply mean that they just choose not to share with you. Whatever X, Y, or Z could be the reason. Third, if they have started taking long to revert to your messages, they are pulling away. If they are not giving you that much time, they are pulling away. If they are leaving you on scene, they are pulling away. No, it doesn't happen like that. It's your lack of trust, your lack of confidence in your partner. It doesn't happen like that until it is happening all the time, consistently. So if once in a while they are not responding, they haven't, or for even for a few days they are not able to give you time, or they are not responding or leaving you a scene, it could be that your partner could be an introvert and they are taking their own time to recharge their batteries and get back to you, all revved up, and even more better for you to enjoy your partner. Or it could be that they are genuinely busy, they're genuinely something else on their mind, especially when it comes to men. I would like to say that for men, when they go out in the world to to pursue their career, to create the finances, to chase their goals and ambition and their desires, the woman in their life is not the priority. Please understand, the male brain is different from the female brain. I learned it the hard way, very, very hard way, though this is the fact. And if in case of women deal with so much. There's PMS, there's emotional instability, there's overwhelming, there are insecurities, there are so many other duties and responsibilities that a female also has to go through. So if she is not giving you that much of time for a few days, or once in a while, it's absolutely okay. To be left on scene doesn't mean that she or he is pulling away. It simply means that they are prioritizing something else for now over you. Simple, which is allowed, which is okay, right? Okay. The next one is, if they are not giving you time, they are giving that time to someone else, apparently. So it's a relationship outside of your relationship that is happening, or their attention is to on someone else. No, it doesn't happen like that, guys. Guys and gals, So if they are not able to give you time, it could be that they are dealing with, their own self, their own life happens. It's not something which is hypothetical. We are not talking about theory, we are talking about life, and life is unpredictable. So there could be so many things that they are making time for. Maybe they are going through a process of transformation for themselves, and at that point of time, giving time to anyone else is not important as giving time to themselves. Maybe they are learning that basic need of every human being to love themselves. Maybe they're learning self-care, maybe they're learning self-love. So it's not that every time they are not giving you time, they are giving that time to someone else. No, that is your insecurity, not theirs. The next one, if they do not let you give a hickey or a love bite on neck, this area, they want to hide the relationship, you from the world, or they are not sleeping with just you, so many other people, so many other individuals. So it doesn't mean that. It is absolutely an abrupt myth that has to be busted. It doesn't mean that. It depends on culture to culture. Guys, we look at these posts mostly which are coming from countries outside of in the Western world. Things, culture, the way people behave, the way people deal with their relationships, the way people think is very different in the Western cultures as compared to the Asian culture. Even today, there is a difference. So it could be that this person is not willing to, deal with that embarrassment. It could be of revealing that or taking that mocking by their friends or something, or genuinely they haven't yet told the world that you guys are together, and they are not willing to share it. Or most of the time it's just that people make fun if there is a love bite somewhere which is visible, especially in the Indian culture. It's just that. Yes, so have a great time, guys, and be safe. Feel safe. It's okay to experience all these myths that we have just talked about, all these behaviors that we've talked about from your better half, your better full, your other significant. It's absolutely fine. See, guys, I have learned it a very, very hard way. I invite you to learn easily. And from experience, I'm talking all this. It doesn't happen. Have that trust in yourself and have that faith in the relationship. And be positive, guys. Do not let negativity ruin your relationships. And it's our own anxiety that creates all these stories that we cook up in our heads. It's not true, it's not real. So all the best. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy all the content that I'll be sharing. This is Dr. Ramandeep Kaur, and I am inviting you to know that you got you and you're very, very good enough. Take care. Bye bye. God bless. Lots of love to each one of you.